Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to off screenshot sound in Redmi phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, scroll up and go to the setting icon. So click on that. Now here you will see many options. Scroll up some more and go to the sound and vibration option. So click on that. Now here you will see many options. Scroll up and you have to click on the additional setting, then click on the additional setting. Here you will see many options. You will also see here screenshot sound option, which is already on in our mobile phone. If you want to off screenshot sound, so off this. So in this way screenshot sound is off in our mobile phone. So it means that when we taking screenshot, here you will see, wait for some seconds. Here you will see our screenshot is captured but it doesn't produce sound. So in this way screenshot sound is off in our mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.